Hello. Welcome to the Osprey Group. Today we are going to look at how easy it is to assemble the BathMobile shower chair and commode. The BathMobile is a highly adjustable commode and shower chair all-in-one. It's great for traveling and folds away easily. Straight from the box, the BathMobile can be assembled by anyone in just a couple of minutes. Paul King, Osprey's sales director, shows how. Completely rust-proof, the BathMobile is made from durable Hitech Plastic for all toilet and shower environments. It is infection control compliant and even has a 20-stone weight limit. Easy. Now, from a different angle. It has an adjustable height from 52 to 56 centimeters and has an optional self-propelling wheel kit, available separately if required. The BathMobile has flip-up armrests for easy transfers and improved comfort. You'll be glad to know it is also Geberit Mera Care toilet compatible. A whole host of accessories are available as optional extras, including an airport-compliant wheelable travel case. If you want to know more, including pricing etc., please contact us at the Osprey Group. Our phone number is shown at the end of this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.